Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dara hairstyle. So guys, I bring for you beautiful natural hairstyle, a quick beautiful natural hairstyle, and I want to thank you so much everyone who returned on my channel to subscribe on my channel. God bless you. And if you're first time to find this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comment down there. So I hope you're going to like it. Quick hairstyle, quick natural hairstyle without too extension. Okay guys, I hope you're going to like it. Okay, look at this. You're gonna see it's really quick, nice and protective natural hair style. So guys, now you can see it's really so beautiful, and the same thing it you use your hair, but I hope you're going to like it. I hope so guys. Enjoy the video up to end, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me like, subscribe and comment if you like this style, and I hope you're going to like it. And it's really nice. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like it. And if you're first time to return on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Enjoy the video.